Okay, this building right here is the Metropole Hotel, and we're going to do a series of hotels to kind of show you where they are in the context of everything, give you a little bit of idea. So this one is kind of near this plaza. There's a shopping department store kind of thing, beautiful park, this kind of street, and I think we're going to be getting ready to cross it in a second. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna go down go towards Metropole Hotel, and make sure you try to catch all the green lights. There's the Metropole right there. So we're gonna just hit the green lights first, and then we'll kind of capture what's around here, so you can get an idea. So there's Metropole right there. That's the building all the way up. And then you can kind of look at, there's Grand Lisboa Casino right there. So this one is Frada Amaral department store. Macau Tower is down that way. So what we're gonna do is kind of walk near it. So now we did the Playa Grande right there. And then this hotel, you could go up and around. It's kind of in one of these streets like that. This is kind of captured from this way. So we're gonna kind of go around like that a little bit. Give you an idea of what's around here. But yeah, this particular street, there's this is a like city hall, I believe, traditionally. And this Grande Praia used to be on the water, but so this Grande Praia means Praia Grande is big beach. So this would have been all coastline right here, all the way through. So this maybe, I don't know what time when this hotel was constructed, but it could have been on the coastline at one time. So we're gonna kind of capture it a little bit. So that's the hotel right there. Looks like they also have dinner there too, so let's just kind of go in, see what they got. So this is right on the corner. Get different things, Portuguese wine, baked pork chop, stuff like that. Put a restaurant in the corner. Then here's a Metropole lobby right there. COVID era, so I have to use but I'm not going in there anyways, so I'm just going to show you what's around here. Another restaurant over there, that green one. It's kind of interesting. And then we're just going to stick with Metropole a little bit, just give you some context, show you, I don't know if you can see that, you can't see it, but there's Macau Tower straight down that way. But if you were to stay at that hotel and walk to Macau Tower, it might take you a good 15 to 20 minutes. But you can get quite close to quite a few other places. I'm going to show you those shortly. So one area right there is Senado Square, Sao Paulo ruins and all that is over there. Straight over there is Lisboa and Wind Casino and Grand Lisboa, stuff right there. So what we're going to do is just kind of walk towards Metropole and kind of walk in that Senado Square area so you can get an idea of exactly where we are, and if you were to stay at Metropole, you can see exactly what's around you, and give it a little taste of one thing that's here is Jollibee, Filipino fast food restaurant, and a Starbucks. Pizza Hut is coming up in the next corner. Some pretty cool little black and white tiled streets, and also this I guess it'd be Portuguese architecture. And then this is the post office, which I guess would be colonial Portuguese, I don't know. And then that one has that more standard European look. There's a Pizza Hut. So we're gonna keep the camera going from Metropole so that we can see that right over there. It's called Senado Square. And I think we're kind of stuck here at the red light for now. Then up there, there's a bar called Cathedral, right at that space. This one goes up to, there's some other kind of cool stuff over here. There's a pension house, Familia Alegria. We're on to the Central. Straight ahead is the Cathedral Bar. And then we got Pizza Hut right here. It's gonna go a little bit further. To show you how Senado Square fits into everything. Post office again, and now you can see some of Senado Square. So there it is right over there. So for someone who was to stay at Metropole, you could quite easily get into this area quite quickly. There's your grand post office right there. Pico de Senado. And if we get a green light, oh, we got the red light, so we're just gonna try to navigate this area a little bit. You got this little thing, we're not gonna go into that. It kind of has a nice little park up there. Then this is that Senado Square area, so Metro Park would be right there. And I got lots of videos of Senado Square, so hope you like this one. And way down there was where Metropole was at. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.